How to use Zapier in 2023 for beginners. Automate your tasks with Zapier. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another great Zapier related video, and in this video we're going to be discussing how you can use Zapier. Now, Zapier is basically a great software that helps you automate your task, and it helps you integrate with your task managers like maybe Asana or any other workboard that you have like Trello or much more. So we're going to be discussing all of that, and we're going to be getting into great depth and great detail with all of this. So just watch this video till the end and listen to all the information I have to provide you with, and if you do that properly, then I guarantee you that you're going to properly know by the end of this video how you can use Zapier to automate your workflow. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, first of all, we're going to go ahead and write Zapier. Now, this is Zapier, automation that moves you forward. Workflow automation for everyone. Zapier automates your work across 5,000 plus app integrations so you can focus on what matters. What you can see here that Zapier is a product that allows end users to integrate the web applications they use and automate their workflow. So basically, you make your workflow into one Airtable or airtight place. So what exactly does Zapier do? It's a no-code automation tool that lets you connect your apps into automated workflows so that every person and every business can move forward at growth speed. So we're just going to get into the Zapier.com website now that we know what it does and what it really is about. So here we are, automate your sales outreach. Zapier empowers you to automate your work across 5,000 plus apps so you can move forward and work faster. Do what you do best, let Zapier do the rest. We can see that trusted companies are Slack, Meta, Shopify, Dropbox, and Asana. And there are much more. You can see that we can start simply and we can still scale to our sophistication. This is here are reviews from other people about what automation feels like. We can see the companies that have done it, as much or as little help as you want. Like we can do it ourselves, or you can hire a proper Zapier expert. You can basically Zap is your automation with that's what Zap is called in Zapier. So you can add new leads to an email list by using Facebook and MailChimp, automating them, save email attachments to Google Drive by automating our Gmail and Google Drive, and we can create Trello cards for new form responses by using Google Forms and Trello. You can see that 5,000 plus apps and infinite possibilities, apps like Gmail, MailChimp, Zoom, Google Drive, Google Teams, Sheets, Discord, ClickUp, Salesforce, Trello, Shopify, Slack, Asana, and much more. So we're going to be discussing all of this, and it's going to be very simple and it's going to be very easy. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So we can see that it also has 3 different plans: the free plan, the professional plan, and the teams and companies plan. Now, the free plan is obviously free. It's free forever. The professional plan is a bit on the professional level and it has much more features than the free plan. And then there's the teams and companies plans, and obviously for that you're going to need to contact the Zapier company. So without further ado, let's go ahead and sign up with our Zapier account. Now, for now, I'm going to be using a temp mail to sign up with our Zapier. So here it says work email required. So we're just going to put in our work email that we're going to take from our temp mail. Then I'm going to put in our name and I'm going to click on get started for free. You're going to create a strong password that Zapier is going to like. And here we go. Here's a strong password. We're going to click on get started for free. Make sure your password must be between 12 and 512 characters. So I'm going to put that again. There we go. I'm going to click on get started for free. Now, once we put in our email, it's going to bring us up to help us customize your experience by telling us a bit about yourself. So select the role that best describes you. You could be in engineering, marketing and ops, data sciences, business owner, project management, HR, IT, customer support ops, or much more. Or you can just choose any one of these if you want. I'm going to go with IT for now. How many employees does your company have? So you can choose any one of these. I'm going to choose this 1 to 49 for now, and I'm going to click on continue. What apps do you use? Now over here, you're obviously going to choose your apps. So let's say Gmail, you can go with Slack, you can go with, let's say Google Drive, with MailChimp, Discord, and Trello. And once you do that, you're going to click on finish setup, or you can just skip this for now if you want to. That's totally upon you. Now here it says make a zap. Now what is a zap? A zap is basically you zap from one app to another app, and what that does is it automates. Zapping is basically automating. So we can see that there are recommendations down here like save new Google Gmail attachments to Google Drive, create Trello cards from new start Gmail emails, send new Gmail emails as Slack channel messages, and much more. So for now, let's do something like send emails via Gmail when new files are added. So I'm just gonna go with this. Let's click on try it. So now that we click on try it, what Zapier is gonna do is it's gonna take us to its Zapier or editor, let's say, and we're gonna wait for it to load up into our editor. And do make sure that once you add in your temp email and you get a confirmation email, just confirmate and verify yourself. So now that we're here into your Zapier, you can also add other automations if you want, or you can just delete them. I'm just gonna delete them for now because I don't need them. So the trigger, first of all, you're gonna choose the trigger for this. So choose app and event. So you're gonna choose the event. Now the trigger is going to be some attachment that will be added into your Google Drive. That's going to be the trigger for the zap, and then this trigger will zap your Gmail, and it's going to instantly send a Gmail. Your Google Drive is instantly going to send a Gmail to your Gmail, and you're going to see what has happened in your Google Drive. Now obviously you're going to sign in with your Google Drive over here. You're going to sign in with your Gmail, and once all of that is done, you're just going to click on fix to publish. You can mess around with the settings over here if you want to, but that's totally upon you. But yeah, that is basically how you create a basic zap. Now, if you want to create more automations, now know this, that once you create a zap, it's going to be created right here. But if you want to create more zaps, you can just go on create zap. And once you go on create zap, you can start creating your very own zaps, like let's say Discord. Some Discord trigger will, let's say, send something to your Trello, and from your Trello, it's going to send something to, let's say, your Google Drive, and then from your Google Drive, it's going to send something to your Gmail, and finally from your Gmail, it's going to send something to your, let's say, Slack. So look at that. Those are 5 zaps all together. And yeah, that is basically a whole automated zap. And you can just choose the event, like new message posted a channel. When a new message is posted, it's going to send an action to here. When a new message is posted, this is going to create a board. And when a board is created, this will, let's create a folder. And when a folder is created, this will basically, let's say, send an email. And when an email is sent, what Slack is going to do is it's going to send a direct message. So yeah, these are the 5 different zaps that we created. And all we need to do is we're going to sign up with our accounts of the designated programs. And yeah, from there on out, we can zap away and start automating easily as we want. So yeah, that is basically it. That is how you can use Zapier and automate your workflows and make life much more civilized and easier for yourself. So yeah, basically that is it for today. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below. And if you have any more queries or issues related to this video, please let me know down below that as well, and I'll help you straight away. But yeah, that was all from me. If you liked the video, please drop a like, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. Yeah, that was all from me, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.